Today, I would like to speak with you about yoga breathing, about two types of breathing in yoga. One of them, it calls Ujjayi breathing. What does it mean? When you do inhale through your nose and at the same time you make a noise. You don't do it just like regular breathing. No, you have to make a noise. It's very strong breathing, very strong inhale, like very deep. Do you hear this noise? So you should make this noise exactly when you do inhale, and exhale you do through your mouth, and at the same time you squeeze your throat like a snake, and you do exhale, squeeze your throat like a snake. Got it? It's this Ujjayi breathing you use during any yoga exercises, especially if you do it in the morning. It helps to warm up your body very fast. It's some specific breathing which heat your body, warm up your body, helps your muscles to relax and bring the blood to your muscles and really make your body warmer more faster. So even, for example, in the summertime, in the winter time or in autumn, if you are staying somewhere and you feel cold, you can use this breathing and you will see how your body become heat. You can just stay and just try to breathe like. If it's not comfortable to stay somewhere, just go aside and you can, I don't know, hide your nose if it's very cold air. So to do something like hide your nose a little bit. Don't forget to make it like a snake. Okay? And even when you do inhale, try to a little bit squeeze your throat as well. But it's take your time, don't be in a hurry, don't be fast, just try to make a very noisy inhale and exhale and squeeze your throat. That's number one. If we speak about number two, it calls pranayama breathing. What does it mean and how does it helpful? Pranayama breathing gets a lot of oxygen to your body, to your brain, to your mind, to everything, because we do only exhale. I'll show you. Here we use our stomach and our nose because we are doing only exhale through our nose. Also you may try different variation of pranayama. You may close one part of the nose or another one. You can change it too. Also, you make it with a noise, right? And what's the main question here? The main issue, it's about your stomach. When you are breathing with pranayama, exhale only, you do only exhale through your nose, that's it. You move your stomach here. So you do a deep breath and then exhale through your nose, only through your nose. And you move your stomach inside in each exhale. Exactly this exercise provides a lot of oxygen to your brain, and head even can a little bit dizzy, especially if you're doing more than 50 times. So you can start from 10, then 20, and so on. You can sit. Just find the comfortable position for you. Like You can sit even like that or in turkey pose, doesn't matter. But the main question here is breathing. Yeah, so you have to push your stomach and exhale through your nose. You can do this practice in the morning. It helps to wake up. Really, it gives a lot of oxygen to your brain and to your body, and it helps really to wake up if you feel sleepy, for example, or if you are sitting at work again and you feel sleepy or you feel tired. Just make this exercise, this kind of breathing 50 times, and you definitely will wake up. It helps. It takes only 5 minutes, even less actually, even 1 minute, because you do it fast. 10. So it's only a few seconds. You can do 50 times this exhale. And if we're speaking about the first one, about Ujjayi breathing, when you do exercise, you do inhale and exhale in other pose, especially when you do vinyasa. Yes, you always change your pose. On one asana you do inhale, in the end of this asana you do exhale. But if you do hatha yoga, you are staying in one position, you save this position, and then you just doing Ujjayi breathing slowly. It helps to calm down your body, warm up your body. Your muscles really will warm really fast, and it helps to relax everything, any tensions in your body, or and anything really. So that's really useful when you do exactly yoga exercises. So I hope it was useful for you. If you would like to hear any other ideas, what would you like to do, any kind of exercises for back, again for breathing or whatever, please put it in comments. If you like this video, please subscribe on my channel, put like, and I will be very grateful for that. Thank you, namaste, and see you on the next video.